guys, back again for day number 2. So we're going to get the mobile flywheel grinding done today. Gearbox is getting cleaned, and then we'll be chucking the flywheel back in, new clutch in, that's going back. So I'll give you a look at all that and you can see how we go.
I just made a quick little spigot bearing pull. I just got a normal slide hammer, got a bolt screwed in there, just grinded off all the other sides of the head of the bolt and left that one to fit inside the spigot, and just knock it out real quick. Beats the old fucking grease on a punch trick.
Righty, so we're just going to rip down to Repco, pick up a new rear main because mine just seems to be a little bit leaky. Not really sure if it's a rear main or not, but may as well just do it since it's out and it's like 50-60 bucks or something. So we're just having a couple of little issues getting the car started now. Some possible starter motor trouble or maybe something else, but yeah, we think we've got a quick fix.
Turn that key over when I tell you.
Little jump start with the screwdriver trick. Works every time.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I'm a cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying cars and get tatted up. All the other bull, don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladder.
It's got a heavy duty clutch. A bit more heavy duty than I expected. Usually heavy duty clutch just got higher tension on these little fingers here, which give you more clamp force, but so you can see the pressure plate's quite aggressive, and so is the back of the clutch plate, so that's gonna hook up pretty good.
Everything is on me, gon' back it up. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
Bits of back right off me.
Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
This is one of the first mods I actually did to this car. The gear stick. It's like a 2-piece and it's got a bit of rubber in it and it flogs out really quickly. So I pulled that out and we welded a little washer to the shaft and then welded that to the upper shaft. Essentially just making it like a 1-piece gear stick. There's a few people saying like you get vibrations from the gearbox and stuff, but you don't at all. It's way better. Definitely recommend that one. It takes like maybe an hour by the time you pull like the center console out and get the gear sticks out and stuff, but super good mod, highly recommend.
What we're doing now is pulled out the old throwout bearing, which is pretty cooked. Plays with the new one, that's what it should sound like nothing, and a lot firmer. And also in the Hiluxes, it's just good practice for any car really. Pull out the clutch fork, clean it out where it sits onto the ball, and then put some grease in there, because otherwise it'll sort of sit there while idling, rattle about side to side and make a terrible noise. And it's very hard, almost impossible to access once the gearbox is back in. So it's always a good idea to just do that, and then everything will go a lot smoother. Nothing went wrong, didn't get jammed, didn't smash my elbow, jack didn't fall over, none of that happened, it just went in smoothly, but that was all just behind the scenes. It was just too easy, we didn't bother filming. Shot Golda, 20-inch blades on the Impala.
Right, so pretty much all back together. Gearbox is up in there, tail shafts are all bolted up. Now we're just chucking the gear sticks in. And then after that, we'll give it a quick test, just back and forth in the driveway. Make sure it's all good before we bolt everything back up and put all the covers back on. And then we'll take it for a little road test.
This is the fucking problem, isn't it?
The clutch seems to be sweet, all good. I'm going to chuck all the trim back on, but Nathan's just starting on the CV joint now, so just the inner CV boot's completely sort of separated.
I got as far as we could with the CV until we realised I don't have a big enough socket in my house. So we'll just slap it back together, get it running for now, and we'll do the timing belt, water pump and CV at a later date.
So this one's just going to be the clutch, and we'll get this back together now and throw the car back together. Thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this far in the video, consider leaving a like and subscribe if you like the channel. Appreciate all you guys watching this far into the video. Thanks for supporting the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.